All right, guys, this is a 2005 Honda Accord and LX, and I'm going to show you how to properly change the cabin air filter. I've changed it a few months ago, and it was very, very dirty. And so I'm going to show you how to do it so you won't have to pay 50 or more dollars at a dealership or a quick lube or oil place, okay, and where they charge you 50 or more. So you can do it yourself under 20 bucks, $15 maybe, you'll get a replacement filter. So for Honda Accord, Accords or all the Hondas, it is located over here. And for your vehicle, if you don't know, consult the owner's manual. Okay, so this is where this one goes. And first thing you do, or the second thing, first thing you open the glove compartment, and then what you do is on each side you squeeze. Okay, so this one comes out very easily, so you squeeze because this one's a little bit got a little tear, but they come out easily. See here, and okay, and then you squeeze one side, and then if the other side doesn't come out immediately, and then you squeeze it too, and then it will come like this one. Okay, you squeeze and it comes down like this, and all your stuff will fall down. So you got to make sure that you properly secure your stuff or you remove them. And the next thing is you look inside, and anybody will see that there is a little door. Okay, and you see here, there's this little door. That's the only place that you can actually remove something or you can put something in. And this little door here. And what you do in each, there is a little tab. Okay, there's a little tab. Yeah, and then once you unfasten the tab, okay, with both hands generally, okay, okay, and then okay, and the air filter will come out. And you see how this one is it's a little bit dirty, but I've replaced it not too long ago, but it's a little bit dirty. You see that? Okay, you replace it. Again, this is how it comes out of the vehicle, but this is the filter. When you buy, this is what you're gonna be getting. You're gonna be getting this. So this is the bracket that holds it. Okay. So all you do, you replace it. You replace it, and okay. And on the side, it tells you airflow, whatever way it is made. So looks like there's no top, there's no top or bottom. Okay, but you just make sure that when you're putting it in, you put it correctly. Because actually, there is a top or bottom. Sorry, because this type of filter. You see here, this here on the side, and so when you put it, make sure the ends are properly seated inside the grooves here to make a proper seal. That's to prevent dust from coming in or getting in. Okay, so that's it. Okay, then you properly put it in. See airflow. Okay. Okay. I mean, the air comes from on top, okay? The air from outside, and it goes down, okay? It goes down. So you see, it shows you airflow down, meaning you come from top, go down. Okay, once you're done, and you just go ahead and put and close it. That's it. See? Okay. So you just squeeze the side and it comes out, and then you replace it. Okay, so now you know how to properly change your cabin air filter. Honda Accord or any vehicle. Again, consult your manual, okay, your owner's manual. It's all of them are the same. I think some BMW, they have the cabin air filter under the hood, but all the cars I've owned, cabin air filter, it's always in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell notification for more videos. Thank you again. Thanks again.